We found this old vanity on Facebook Marketplace in need of a refresh. We're going to completely transform it using Fusion Mineral Paint. We're going to richen it up with a custom blended deep forest green and add some metallic accenting to show off the beautiful lines of this piece, giving it a whole new life for under $75. Follow along to learn how you can recreate this look. This piece was painted with an old oil-based finish, which Fusion Mineral Paint adheres very well to, so my first step is giving it a good clean with our TSP Alternative. Our TSP Alternative is a highly concentrated, phosphate-free, eco-friendly product. A little goes a long way. Just take 2 capfuls and mix it with 1 liter of water, then start cleaning your piece. I'm using a clean white rag to thoroughly clean with the TSP Alternative solution. I'll clean until I no longer see any dirt coming onto the rag. This is a no-rinse formula, so while it's drying, I'm going to start removing the hardware. Fusion Mineral Paint has over 50 gorgeous colors to choose from. However, you can easily achieve more by using our custom blends from our swatch book. We wanted to give this piece some character and make it look unique, so we're going to create a custom color. For our custom blend, we're going to mix together 1 part coal black and 2 parts pressed fern. Mixing up custom blend colors is very simple, but be sure to mix more than you think you'll need, as you don't want to run out midway through your project. It's time to choose a brush. When you're picking your brush, you'll want to really take a look at your piece and decide which one you'll need. To get started, I'm going to be using the pointed Sash Brush to really get into the corners and edges and leave no brush strokes behind. So moving on to the flat surface and the sides, I'm using a flat brush. This offers really excellent coverage and a nice smooth application. When you can, remove the drawers and paint them horizontally. It makes it much easier. Some colors have what's called a clear base. This means that to get the type of color and intensity, we can't use certain pigments that really offer more coverage. Because these colors are very intense and pure, they may not have the best coverage with 1 coat, but you'll notice with the addition of a second coat, you get full coverage. So don't panic if your first coat is a little bit transparent. See how that second coat really gives you a beautiful opaque finish. Between coats, you'll want to wait about 2 hours to give it enough time to dry. To add some glitz and glam to this vanity, I wanted to take our Tough Coat Glossy and add some metallic to add some fun shimmer to it. I added a fair bit of metallic so you could really notice it, and I used this beautiful bended brush to get a perfectly smooth application. To really accentuate the details of this vanity, I took a small artist brush and just filled in the lines with the bronze metallic. This really ties the whole look together with the beautiful glossy tough coat on the legs. The top of this vanity had a fair bit of damage to it, so first I took the glossy tough coat and applied a coat with our bended brush, and then to help camouflage all the damage, I decided to apply a stencil. I take my 𝐤𝐨𝐵𝐵𝐵 brush and gently dip the end into some metallic, and essentially use it as a dry brush and wipe off the excess. The best tip for stenciling is less is more. The less paint you have on your brush, the more crisp the stencil lines will be. I really wanted to stay true to the design of this piece. I chose rich, deep colors and accentuated the lines with chic metallics, really giving it a modern twist, perfect for any home.